Hello learners, are you ready to talk to me in English? I will ask you questions and you will have to reply immediately with speaking my loudly as soon as I finish my questions. Okay, if you have any doubts and queries, then you can ask me in the comment. Okay, good. So my friends, tell me, what's your good name? Good. How old are you? Why do you want to learn English? What do you want to become in your life? How many members are there in your family? Good. How many hours should we run the mobile in a day? Good, good. My friends, are you watching this video? Are you enjoying this video? Are you able to speak in English right now? Good, good, my friend. Do you like news? Okay. Do you watch news in English? You should. Why should we watch news in English for English practice? Good, my friend. Okay. Tell me, why should we planting more and more trees? Good. How is weather in your city now? What's going on in your life nowadays? Good. Are you married or single? Good. What are you doing right now? Good, my friend. Good. So, my friend, now complete this session here and we will see you soon in another video with difficult questions. Okay? So, भाई दोस्तों लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। जय हिंद। कीप